Hello, guys. Whoever is member of my community, welcome back and thank you for subscribing. I will talk today about one of the most important numbers, and this is number 11. You know, when you go on internet, and you will see a lot of people talk about number 11, but very often the messages about this number are pretty much similar. Like everybody get only information from one source. I will try to do absolutely different approach today. As I said, I call this number a gatekeeper. Why? Because it's considered to be like a door, like a gate into a cluster that energy moves from one spot to another. You know, you see this numbers 11, 11. Well, the spot for the cluster is between these two numbers. Between 11, there is a spot and there is another 11. So imagine that 11, 11 is like a shotgun house. There's one entry and there is one exit. It's first 11 is an entry to a cluster where energy goes, and then it in a way moves forward to one cluster again through another 11 as an exit door. So, in order just to understand that properly, we have to look at one number, just 11, and then put them together in order to create a chain. You know, if you look just at the number 11, it's kind of not much there. You see new beginning, 1, 1. But if you look something like 8 and 3, it's still 11, but it's 8 and 3. You have manifestation and help of ascended masters. You know, 8 is manifestation and 3 is the number for ascended masters. And you still have 11, but you have a different understanding now what you need to have in order to pass this gate. And it's the same thing for the gate for entry, the gate for exit of the cluster where the energy goes. And if you look after that, again, you enter another cluster where you meet another 11, but it's going to be a different. It can be 7 and 4, it can be 2 or 9. But every digit, every number within this 11 will mean a very unique thing. And when you put them all together, you will have a chain of unique numbers that is only yours. So let's, instead of 11, 11, we'll take 11, 11, and 11. As I said, if we change every single 11 in this set of numbers, you will have a unique chain that it's only specific to your energy for a specific time. Okay. So for instance, again, if we replace 11 with the two different digits that equal 11, okay, you can see with those digits a unique energy signatures that combined make 11, but it makes every 11 unique by itself. Let's start, for instance, you have 8 and 3, you have 4 and 7, and then you have 2 and 9. You still will have 11, 11, 11. But every 11 out of the set of those numbers, and the part of the chain of those numbers, going to have unique signature that will define the moving of your energy from one spot to another and to a higher level. So here are your numbers. They're still 11, 11, but when you look at them, they have absolutely different meaning for you, right? So the fact for each of the 11s is either an entry gate or exit gate. And the exit gate from the old cluster becomes an entry gate for the new one, and so on and so forth in the chain.